In this video, we listed the 5 best ergonomic keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FERALEX 98 Keyboard. The FERALEX 98 keyboard is a wireless mechanical keyboard offering a blend of functionality, ergonomic design, and customizable features. With its hot swappable switches, users can easily customize their typing experience by swapping out switches without soldering, allowing for personalization based on typing preference or usage scenario. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the keyboard aims to reduce strain during extended typing sessions, potentially enhancing user comfort and productivity. Its 3 modes via RGB lighting system provides customizable lighting options, allowing users to personalize the keyboard's aesthetics to suit their preferences or match their setup. The keyboard features a gasket structure and self-lighting design, which can enhance the typing experience by providing consistent key actuation and illumination across the keyboard. Additionally, with an 8000 mAh battery capacity, it offers long-lasting wireless functionality, ensuring users can work or play uninterrupted without the hassle of frequent recharging. Number 2. Machenike K500 Keyboard. The Machenike K500 keyboard is a mechanical gaming keyboard designed for optimal performance and customization. With its hot swappable switches and 94 keys, it offers versatility and durability for intense gaming sessions. The keyboard features RGB lighting that can be customized to suit individual preferences, adding a visually stunning element to your setup. Compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, the Machenike K500 ensures seamless integration across various platforms. Its ergonomic design and tactile feedback make it a popular choice among gamers seeking precision and comfort during long gaming sessions. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports player, the Machenike K500 keyboard provides the tools needed to elevate your gaming experience. Number 3. K500 Gaming Keyboard. The K500 Gaming Keyboard is a wired mechanical keyboard designed for gamers seeking enhanced performance and comfort during long gaming sessions. Its luminous color blocking design adds a vibrant aesthetic to any gaming setup while also providing visual cues in low-light environments. The keyboard features an ergonomic layout aimed at reducing fatigue and strain during extended use, promoting better gameplay endurance. One of the notable features of the K500 is its conflict-free buttons, ensuring that every keystroke is registered accurately, even during intense gaming sequences where multiple keys may be pressed simultaneously. This feature enhances the keyboard's reliability and responsiveness, crucial for competitive gaming scenarios. Designed as a PC desktop computer accessory, the K500 Gaming Keyboard offers compatibility with a wide range of gaming setups, making it versatile for various gaming preferences and configurations. Overall, with its combination of performance-focused design elements and aesthetic appeal, the K500 Gaming Keyboard caters to gamers looking for a reliable and stylish input device to elevate their gaming experience. Number 4. K987 Mechanical Keyboard. The K987 mechanical keyboard, also known as the original RK987 3-mode mechanical keyboard, is a versatile input device tailored for users seeking a blend of functionality and ergonomic design. Featuring 87 keys, this keyboard caters to a wide range of users, from office professionals to avid gamers. One of its standout features is its customizable and multifunctional nature. Users can tailor the keyboard to suit their preferences and needs, whether it's adjusting key functions for productivity tasks or optimizing it for gaming sessions. Its ergonomic layout ensures comfortable usage over extended periods, reducing strain on the hands and wrists. The keyboard is equipped with 3 modes, offering flexibility for various use cases. Whether you're typing out documents, engaging in intense gaming sessions, or navigating through Mac-specific tasks, the K987 mechanical keyboard accommodates diverse needs seamlessly. Number 5. K16 Computer Keyboard. The Great Wall K16 Computer Keyboard is a waterproof, portable gaming keyboard designed with ergonomics and aesthetics in mind. With its backlit feature, users can enjoy colorful illumination while gaming or working in dimly lit environments. This keyboard is equipped with features tailored for gaming enthusiasts, offering a combination of functionality and style. Its portability makes it convenient for users who are often on the go or require a keyboard that can easily be transported. Additionally, its waterproof design adds durability and protection against accidental spills or mishaps. Overall, the Great Wall K16 Computer Keyboard is a versatile option for those seeking a reliable and visually appealing keyboard for their computing needs.